So, good morning. Today we are here at the LGU office to conduct observation then interview. So, today we're going to make a role play about observation first.
Go.
So, this time we're going to interview some workers at the LGU office.
So,
So, good morning, ma'am. So, hello, I'm Ivy.
I am the assistant of the head.
Okay. I know. So, thank you for the opportunity for interviewing the best workers at the LG office. So, my first question is, how does the waste practically managed here at our area?
So, to segregate the garbage properly, so that our area was properly cleaned.
So, sa ibang Millard, dito sa ating lugar, maraming mga plastic, yung napapansin namin, maraming mga plastic. So, ang aking isang kaibigan ay gusto niya mag-propose na reverse vending machine wherein we're going to collaborate to the LGU office about this because if kami lang yung mag-propose ng system na ito, hindi namin kaya because when we talk about reverse vending machine, the consumer who put some plastic bottle in the vending machine, they would have they can receive a coins or something like that. So Millard wanted to propose that system. So for you, is it good?
That is the
go.
it is
So
Itong vending machine ay nakatulong ko properly segregate na bottles, if ano na siya?
PET bottles is polyethylene, basta mo ito siya late, basta ewan sa PET plastic bottle is wherein remove muna yung so is it our proposed system viable?
maganda siya para sa community.
Okay. So,
Thank you!